Hello there, it's Christian from Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 KNAUS North Star 590 UE. So we're going to start off by having a look on the outside of the Caravan. At the front there we've got the Alco stabiliser, your 13-pin Continental socket, your handbrake and jockey wheel with load indicator. You've got your gas locker just there, and above we've got the one-piece window and sunroof. So we'll have a look on the near side of the Caravan. So it looks really stylish. It's got a nice decal set on the outside, which is a sort of three-tone there. We've got a dark grey, a dark blue and silver. Got tinted windows the whole way round. Got the awning light just above the door there, and the door has got a nice big window in there. Got some stylish alloys, and this one has also got a motor mover fitted. You've got an external service locker just there that'll take you directly under one of the beds. Coming round to the rear, we've got your lights. They are the Cat's Eye Evolution lights. They look really good when they're on. Then round to the other side, you've got your Dometic toilet cassette fitted just in there. And then we've got the inlet there for the internal water tank. It'll bring us back round to the front. So we're just going to step foot into the Caravan. Now it has got the upgraded KNAUS premium door. Little thing here, you've got a little brolly holder. It's a deadlock door system, so it's really secure. And it's also got a couple of hangers at the top here. So, straight ahead of you, as you come in, you've got your kitchen area. You've got a fan just here above the 3 gas burners. Got some cupboard space just up above. You've got a really sort of deep stainless steel sink with your KNAUS branded mixer tap. A couple of plug sockets just situated here. And we've got some spotlights up above. So it's the wraparound seating. And the bases are attached to the upholstery to make it easy to get underneath. So this Caravan does have Aldi wet central heating system. It has also got the Aldi underfloor heating system as well. Got some locker space above either side of the seats. And you've got a little spotlight there in each corner. So you've got your controls on the right hand side as you walk in the door. You've got your mains just here, the control for your Aldi wet central heating. We've also got some light switches just below. This strip just here completely lights up from the floor to the ceiling. When lit up, this looks absolutely beautiful. On the left hand side as you walk in the door, you've got a coat hanging rail just there, which is also it's really good actually, because you've got the Aldi wet central heating system here, which allows heat up to sort of dry your coats and sort of make them feel nice and warm. Got a wine cabinet just there, and a point for your television here. It's on a triple arm bracket so that you can see it from bed or from the seating area at the front. Got the Dometic Fridge, full size, separate freezer and fridge. Now it does open on both sides. And it's the same for the freezer. And you've got the microwave up above. Got the oven grill just here, under the kitchen worktops. You've got a drawer there, a little cupboard underneath, and another cupboard next to it. And we've also got a nice pull-out drawer. And they're all slow closing, soft closing. So this one is the 4-berth with the single beds. Got loads of cabinets up above, plenty of storage space under the beds. Have a look under this one. Got net curtains and full width curtains on all the windows, and it's also got fly screens and blinds attached to all of them as well. So this Caravan feels really, really spacious. It is 8 foot wide. It's on a single axle. But it's the top of the range KNAUS. And then we'll have a look into the wet room just here. So it is an integrated shower and toilet. So you've got your toilet just there, shower tray. Then you've got the sink with the mixer tap. The tap there does also need to be used for the shower head, which will go on there. Right, on there. You've also got a rail up there as well to hang any sort of wet clothes that you might have. So there we have it, the 2022 KNAUS Northstar 590 UE. If you want to pop me an email if you've got any questions, it's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. We're open 7 days a week. We're situated just off the A1 near Retford. Monday to Saturday 9 till 5, and then on Sunday 10 till 4. You can give us a call. It's 01777 838 193. Thank you very much for watching.